Hey guys, it's SterlingW. If you needed some extra storage space around the house or outside the house, we finally got a storage shed and built it, and we'll go ahead and open it and review it. This is a storage shed that's double layered. It's basically a 50 inch by 29 inch by 79 and a half inch high. So it's actually pretty big. It actually holds a lot of stuff. So we'll go ahead and tour the insides of it. But before we start, you can notice that we actually had to build a foundation. So we actually, our concrete floor wasn't really level at all. So we just made a quick foundation so it's nice and level. So it has somewhere to, nice to sit. I don't think it should be put against like dirt. You definitely have to build on concrete or something, or put some sort of foundation on it. Let's go ahead and open this side up a little. Again, this is like one of those double layers. Basically, it's made of resin. There is a little hinge lock on the bottom, so it locks the door. So one door is locked, so it doesn't move. This is so that someone can't just yank your shed door open. Anyways, all plastic. As you can, it's nice and hollow. There is this metal bars that hold the two parts together. This all came in like 3 boxes, by the way, and we did caulk in between of it because those are individual panels. You'll see it a little later. There are lots of little panels, and it came in 3 boxes. So 3 large boxes shipped right to our door, which is really, really convenient because we don't have to go and go to a store and drive this in and try to fit this in our car. Anyways, all the parts come in this. After unboxing all this stuff, the roof as well as the foundation is right there as well. But pretty neat. All this is about a centimeter or 2 inches at most thick, and it's pretty neat. So it's nice and so it is double, and of course it's all these parts built together that makes this shed. So as you can see, the top roof actually has a little bit of reinforcement of a little bit of metal. So overall, it's pretty stable. All this plastic has ridges and stuff, so it keeps it nice and stable. There are no shelves that are with this thing. You have to actually buy some some wood and actually some wood panels to put as shelf, or maybe you could even buy like a plastic shelf that fits in this shed, so it could organize it a little bit more. So you can actually buy plastic shelves, or you can basically just put wood paneling. Foundation floor, like I said before, there is the thing for locking, and also the door. You can actually put a padlock on this thing, which is nice if it's a standard padlock or master lock. And opening this back up again, like I said, we did seal all the weird gaps. So all the gaps between the panels, we put silicone caulk on it so that it's more weather tight. Normally, I would think that there'll be some play between the panels. So overall, it took roughly around half a day to build. Getting all the parts together, putting the caulk in, screwing all the parts together, putting all these the metal hardware so you can hold it together for this structure. There are some other peg areas and screw areas that you could use. I guess that's meant for the paneling later or the shelving later. We did put some ant and insect traps in there just in case. Just in case we needed it. We just put it there anyways. So we'll have to put this stuff out here. But yeah, it seems pretty good that we actually put the caulking in between the seams. So it's going to be much more sturdier than it was just by itself. If you just built this, it's probably kind of interesting because in between the things, the panel it is like empty plastic. So you can actually squeeze it and stuff. So overall, I think by adding the caulking material, it makes it a lot more stronger. And, along with the metal bracing and stuff, it actually feels pretty good. And also it's probably there won't be little bugs that crawl through those cracks or whatever, or water going through the cracks. Like you see, it's the roof actually has the silicone caulk too. Also the foundation all has silicone caulk between the seams, which is nice. It did take a little longer to do that, but it seals it off and weather strips it. We'll actually add a weather strip to the door as well, so it's completely closed off from the weather. Of course, I think it should still be ventilating through like the sides and the top. As you can see, it doesn't close all the way anyways, but it should be pretty good. The hinges are pretty nice too. There's 2 hinges per panel. So for each door, there's like probably 4 hinges. Let's go ahead and lock this thing up. And that's really about it, guys. It's SterlingW. I hope this review and overview is helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.